Welcome back, yo. Reggae Boyz fans. You know we're always on the lookout for new talent, right, Wade?
Yeah, man.
Or not new talent sometimes, but additional players to add depth to the squad. Now I name that.
Eligible players who are, you know,
Yeah.
shining stars in their respective leagues.
Yes. Or could add something to strengthen the team, I would say.
Definitely.
One such chap is Demarai Gray, who recently came back to the Premier League from after a season in Bundesliga at Leverkusen. He's now at Everton, and he's having a grand return. There's a headline now. This is from WhoScored.com, right?
Right.
And it's Demarai Gray Everton Renaissance hands England boss selection headache. Why this jumped out to me is because a lot of us local Reggae Boyz fans, vloggers, YouTubers, media people in general, often touch on the subject of Demarai Gray and whether he is going to play for or represent Jamaica. In my opinion, I don't think that one is going to happen. If he was going to come, he would have been, already been here. You know what I mean?
Right.
Apart from that, there are certain things that I've seen, like interviews with the player, where he's been asked blatantly Jamaica or England, and he blatantly says England.
Right.
You know what I mean? So, and you can't blame him for that.
No.
You know what I mean? I'm Jamaican and I'm a patriotic Jamaican, but for him, it's just a choice. This man is an Englishman. In terms of that's where I'm born and that's where I'm know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We don't know the extent of how strong our the influence of our culture is on him. You know what I mean?
Right.
So anyway, Rafa Benitez has previously followed in Carlo Ancelotti's footsteps back in 2015. Ancelotti departed Real Madrid and was replaced by Benitez. The Spaniard, deemed an underwhelming successor by the Los Blancos faithful, considered the Italians' exploits at the Bernabeu. At Everton, though, Benitez has seemed an ideal replacement for Ancelotti at Goodison Park, despite leaving some supporters unhappy at the prospect of a former Liverpool icon taking over the reins. Oh, I never thought about that.
Yeah, man.
I never thought about that.
Yeah, that was the first thing I thought about. I was on there, you know, that's like Wenger going back to coach Tottenham or something.
Yeah, that's crazy. I never thought about that because Rafa's been so many places since.
I remember it was Rafa who turned around at AC Milan.
Yeah.
Toolov,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
In Champions League.
Yeah, man. Unforgettable. All right.
One of the greatest matches of all time.
So I must say, for all his previous, Ancelotti seemed a vanity appointment. At Everton, the 62-year-old is the perfect manager to appease the egos in the squad and has the knack for getting the best out of very good players at his disposal, whereas Benitez has the hard-working mantra that some may not favor. It is for this reason why he struggled at Real Madrid, but has impressed with Everton. Yeah, that's true enough.
And Newcastle.
Yeah.
He did well at Newcastle.
Yeah, man. Is a coach where you give him a workman team.
Right.
Him can do something. Him will bring that team up to beyond them expectations.
He would have carried Stoke to top 6.
You rate him too much. I think he would have finished at the top half still. I think he would have finished at the top half still. To be honest with you, I don't know about the European spots though.
No man, once you have a hard-working team, man, they will go anywhere. And even look at the players that he chooses. He chooses players that work really hard. They're kind. Steven Gerrard, people who will go in there and, you know, do a job. Didn't he even have Milner? Yeah, he had Milner as well. When Milner was playing at Liverpool.
Yeah. Alright, so back to Demarai Gray now. He has been having a good start to the season, and it is raising eyebrows, and people are wondering if he should go be selected. Back to your point, also Andros Townsend, who most people thought was beyond it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Has come back and has looked really good. You saw what he did at Old Trafford yesterday. You never see that?
No, I didn't see that.
Oh God, man. The man stitched them net under the Ronaldo celebration in front of them.
Really?
You need to.
It
You
might get him
need to.
Tottenham's status revoked. Just for that.
Alright.
Don't forget here, Andrew.
Yeah, man. So Rafa is working wonders with some of these guys, bro. You know what I mean? Everton has had an excellent start to their season. Demarai Gray is looking like a good purchase. You know what I mean? So it says after breaking onto the scene with Birmingham City, Gray earned a high-profile move to Leicester City in 2016. Yet he seems to struggle with the demands of the Premier League football. With the demands of Premier League football, with the lack of regular game time harming his development. At the turn of the year, he moved to Bayer Leverkusen on an 18-month contract with the view to getting his career back on track. Yet even in Germany, he started just 15 league matches. After a promising start, he had a direct hand in a goal in each of his opening 3 league appearances for Bayer Leverkusen, all of which came from the bench. He again faltered. So Everton's capture of Gray did little to inspire confidence. Yet as far as value for money goes, the Toffees have struck gold. The winger set Everton back a reported 1.7 million and has been excellent. 1.7 million for the Gray. Jesus.
What a steal, eh?
Yeah, man. But who would have known? You know what I mean?
Right.
It's obviously something that they saw in his game. Because you know how they recruit nowadays. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's obviously something that he provided that team needed. You know what I mean? It says what's perhaps key though is that Gray's consistency has helped Everton to a solid start to the 2021-2022 and potentially coming at a good time for England too, as Raheem Sterling is struggling for game time and Jadon Sancho has flattered to deceive for Manchester United this season. Marcus Rashford also sidelined. There may be a chance for Gray to stake a claim for an England spot. That makes sense though.
Yeah.
The Everton winger is eligible for Jamaica, an avenue the Reggae Boys are exploring. But Gareth Southgate is at least aware of Gray's qualities, having handed the winger his England under-21 debut in March 2016. And he did call the player up for England for a friendly meeting with Switzerland in 2018. Him gone, you know.
You mean for England?
Yeah, man. You don't even have to call him up right now. Just the form and just the idea that he is close to that team. Him don't want to hear nothing from Reggae Boys right now.
For sure.
Man, make you know that. You know what I mean?
And worse,
You know what, man. You know, man. I'm gonna tell you the next
in
thing.
the heart of England too. You know.
Yeah.
That's real English country. You know, Merseyside.
Yeah.
You know, Scouser. They don't even
Yeah.
speak Cockney. You know.
Yeah.
So,
Him gone, man. Reggae Boys fans. You don't really need him. You don't. You know what I mean? He's a good player, but one thing Jamaica isn't lacking in is attacking players. You know what I mean?
Right.
We need some midfielders to pass them the ball. I think.
And stir the defenders as well.
Yeah. Our defense is probably the best quality part of our team, I think, right now. Except for the wing back. Except for the wing back. For one wing back.
Okay.
What for the right back? I think we need salvation at right back. But like let's try and laugh about it. Because if you want to kill me, play the ball down the right and cross it over, brother.
So you think Alvas hasn't been doing well there?
No, man. Alvas body need time to recover. Every time Alvas plays, he goes off injured. And Fisher is Fisher. But anyway, guys, let us know what you think. Demarai Gray, do you see him playing in a Reggae Boys jersey or 3 Lions? I say 3 Lions. Guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Big
Peace. All right.